Okay, this is find the inverse of the function, then graph the function and its inverse. So f of x against switch x and y. We'll start off with x equals, let's do the color I like, x equals y plus 2 to the third power. Alright, in order to get it over there, you third root it. So that is the third root of x equals y plus 2. And if we subtract 2, that's the third root of x minus 2 equals y. Okay? And if we were to graph those two, I'm just going to pull out my trusty graphing calculator real quick. Actually, what ends up happening is you get, oh, come off it. So the first one is plus 2. So basically it shifted left 2. And then where it would be 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. X is 1. X is 0. Yeah. This is 3. Well, let's do it this way. Let's count them as 9s. I'm sorry. Let's count them in 3s. This will be 3. This will be 3. So negative 2 will be about right here. 1 will be about right there. And then when x is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 to the third power is 8. 3, 6, 9. So 8 is about right there. Come on. So you get a graph that looks kind of like, get off me. My equation, it's like it wants to hit every button on this. Okay. And then the inverse, the cube root. So you got a cube root, but it's moved to the right too. So it's also got something right here. And if we go up 1. And if we go over 8, we go up 2. So this we go left 1, we go down 1. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. This doesn't look right. That's what I thought. I was wrong. We simply move it down 2, which I went over 2. So down 2 should be right there. And on 8 would be right there. And on 3, 6, 8 be right there. So this graph, now I'm doing this in my head, mind you, so you're more than welcome to do this on your calculator. And again, it reflects across that line, which is y equals x. Okay, same thing for the last one. If I have f of x equals 1/3 x to the 1/4, so again, x equals 1/3 y to the 4th. Well, that makes it 3x equals y to the 4th. Take the 4th root. Um, 3x. Now, they say when x is greater than 0. So this is always going to end up being positive. So I don't have to put the negative on front of it. This is the one case where I don't have to put the plus or minus because of what it comes out to. Alright. So here we go. I'm going to go and draw my graph. These ones are not shifted at all. They both start at 0, 0. 1 to the 4th power is 1, divided by 3 is 1/3. So that's going to be right there. Right there. 2 to the 4th power is 16. 16 divided by 3 is 5.3. So it's going to be about there. It's going to be about there, which means this graph looks kind of like this. Right? And then if the inverse, the cube root of 3 times x, so again 0, 0, that's going to be the same exact spot. But this one, it's going to be right there. I'm just going to go over to here. Come on, stop it. There and there. Which actually I made a huge mistake since it was only when x was positive. So really, these ones are all gone. But yeah. And we can talk about that later. But the parameters are when x is greater than 0. So when everything to the left is when x is less than 0. So your graph ends up looking like that. Sorry to confuse the message again. But that's what it comes out to be. And you could graph those, and those would be the points you get. You would get 1 1/3, you'd get 2, 5 1/3, and for the other one you would get 1/3, 1, and 5/3 and 2 for that one right there. That's what it is.